everyone, welcome to our Nanhua drumming session. Today I'm going to teach you the fourth class of water sleeves drum. On the previous class we ended up here. Then from here it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 4, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's write on a drum using the tempo of 110. Ready? Now, let's increase the tempo to 130. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of the fourth class of water sleeves drum. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.